In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your email in Microsoft Outlook, a quick and straightforward process that should take about 5 minutes. Whether you're using Outlook for work, school, or personal correspondence, knowing how to properly sign out is crucial for maintaining the security of your email account, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. So, let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook website. If you have it bookmarked, a single click will get you there faster, but if not, just type in Microsoft Outlook into your search engine and follow the official link to access the main page. Once you're on the Outlook landing page, look towards the top right hand corner. You should see a sign in option clearly visible there. Go ahead and click on this sign in button to proceed. If you're not automatically signed in, it's now time to enter your email credentials. Carefully type in your email address followed by your password. Double check your inputs to ensure you haven't accidentally included typographical errors. This simple check can save you time and frustration. Once you've accurately entered both your email and password, complete the sign-in process and you should find yourself on your Outlook account's main page, with access to all your email and calendar features. Now let's focus on signing out. Again, direct your attention to the upper right corner where your profile icon is located. This could be an image you've uploaded as your profile picture or simply your initials. Click on this profile icon. What you'll see is a drop down menu that provides you with several options related to your account. And now for the final step, look through the drop down menu to find the sign out option. It's typically located near the bottom of this menu, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on sign out. Once you've clicked that option, you'll be securely signed out of your Outlook account. It's as simple as that. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to safely sign out of your email in Microsoft Outlook. Remember, this is an important step to regularly follow, especially when using unfamiliar or shared devices. This helps protect your personal and sensitive information from unauthorized access. Thanks for following along. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident managing your email account securely. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. See you in the next video.